Hey everybody, welcome to this video. This is Billy Aiken. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, if you are on YouTube and you're searching affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, especially if you're a beginner, this video is perfect for you. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and just dive in. We're going to make this short and sweet and to the point, okay? So when we look at affiliate marketing very simply is promoting a product or a service and you receive a commission for every sale that you generate. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. When you look at it, basically you find an affiliate offer and then you sign up for it or you join whatever program that is. You go and you promote it. You drive traffic. Maybe you create some YouTube videos regarding that particular niche. Maybe you do a blog. Maybe you promote it on Facebook or talk about it, create a Facebook group based around that niche. And then you sort of promote that product. And then you're going to get paid commissions based on any sales that you generate. Now, here's some benefits of affiliate marketing. Number one, you can actually generate multiple streams of income. That's one of the best parts, that you could generate, money while you sleep. I mean, while you're in bed at night sleeping, you can have commissions that are just coming in through the night and all through the day. You can get residual monthly income. For example, if you promote a software that has a monthly fee and you get, let's say, for example, you get 40% of whatever that software monthly payment is on each person that you bring in, you receive that amount of money per month for the rest of your life, as long as that person is a monthly paying subscriber for whatever that software is. It's the easiest way to make money online. Affiliate market is by far the easiest. It's very scalable. I mean, you can start out making a few $100s a day to making thousands to even hundreds of thousands of dollars per day with affiliate marketing. Now, let me show you real quick 2 ways to do affiliate marketing. I'm gonna make this as simple as possible. Number 1, you can join an affiliate program and you can drive traffic to that affiliate program. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to generate sales. That's it. So you join an affiliate program, okay? You drive traffic, and then you generate sales. That's it. Now that's what a lot of beginners do. That's what a lot of that's what a lot of the kind of the fake gurus that are out there teach. You could do that and you could make money, but that's not actually the right way to do it. It's not scalable. You can't create relationships with the people that you generate sales with. You can't upsell. You can't downsell. You can't sell additional products on the back end. Let me show you the correct way to do it, okay? You join an affiliate program, okay? And you drive traffic to that affiliate link or to your affiliate offer, okay? So you have the affiliate offer right here that you send traffic to. You join the affiliate program. You drive traffic to that offer. And if it ends there, that's it. That's why what you're going to be doing is creating an opt-in page. That's why we have an O right here. An opt-in page. An opt-in page is another word of saying a landing page or a squeeze page. And what you do is you're sending traffic that's interested in that affiliate offer to a landing page or an opt-in page. You're going to collect that person's email address. Once they give you their email address, you're going to automatically send them to the affiliate offer. And when they buy, you generate commissions. Okay. The beautiful part is you're taking traffic that you have earned. Maybe you created a YouTube video, or maybe you bought ads online, maybe you boosted a Facebook post, or you created a Facebook group, and then you earned that traffic. You sent that traffic to that, to that opt-in page. You earn that traffic, but you don't own that traffic. Let's say that you send people from a YouTube video directly to the affiliate offer. You don't own that traffic. Once they make that purchase, that's it. The deal is done. You no longer have access to that customer. But if you're sending traffic from an affiliate offer or from, like a Facebook post that talks about whatever that problem that the affiliate program or product or service is solving, and you collect that email address, you're no longer earning traffic, you are now owning traffic. So you're taking traffic that you now own, you're sending them to the affiliate offer. When they buy, you generate the sale, and now you can sell additional products and services on the back end through email marketing. These are little envelopes. I really suck at drawing, but I tried to make it look like an envelope, meaning mail or email. And then what you could do is you can create a relationship with your email list, and you could talk about things going on in your life. You can talk about what you're passionate about. And then from time to time, you can throw in additional, products or services. And what really works is you can offer additional products and services that are related to the affiliate offer, related to the original product. That let's say that it's a make money online program affiliate offer. Well, once they buy that, you can offer additional products that are related to that. Maybe it's it's dog training. It's an affiliate ClickBank product related to dog training. And then maybe you want to sell, pet supplies or pet supplements. But that's basically the way that it works. Now, here's a rule of thumb that I want you to grasp, okay? There's a lot of different types of commissions that you can generate. There's commissions as low as making less than $1. There's commissions where you can generate over $1,000 per sale. So here's a rule of thumb that I have when it comes to affiliate marketing. I do not promote a product or a service that is going to make me any less than $100. Now, I don't necessarily mean the front end offer. Maybe you're sending someone to an affiliate offer, and maybe you're only making, $50 on the front end, but maybe there's some upsells on there. And the first upsell is for $100. Second upsell is for $500. And then you're making additional commissions based off those upsells, or even off of the back end, or maybe even downsells. But the point is I do not promote an affiliate product if the total amount of commissions that I can make is less than $100. One of the reasons that I don't promote Amazon products, because there are a lot of gurus that teach this on YouTube. But if you go to Amazon and you go to the bottom, you can actually make money as an affiliate on Amazon. But really, how much are you going to make off this blower that's going to sell for $119? If you're only making about 4% per sale, that's not a lot of money. You're looking at a few dollars. In order for you to make really good money as an Amazon affiliate, honestly, you would really need to have a blog that specializes in a specific niche. Maybe it's on blowers, maybe it's on espresso makers or kitchen supplies, and you're getting millions of viewers and millions of people coming to your blog on a monthly basis. Then yeah, it's worth it. You're gonna make a lot of money. But if you're just gonna do a YouTube video or you're gonna promote it on Facebook, it's not worth it. I really don't know anybody that makes a lot of money as an affiliate on Amazon unless they're getting a minimum of 100,000 views per month for whatever traffic source they're doing. And it's really not even that much money. But if you're getting 1 million views, then you're starting to make the big bucks, all right? So let me give you a couple of examples of some affiliate products that make some decent money. On a part-time basis, I promoted some affiliate stuff, through a website builder or a funnel builder that I use called ClickFunnels. And, I've made over $10,000 as an affiliate. But here's one of the products that they offer. They offer something called the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I've been through it twice, actually, and it's a really good challenge. It only costs $100. But if you promote it as an affiliate, you make $100 for every single person that enrolls in the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I might be wrong about this, but I think if they sign up for ClickFunnels or if they buy additional products, I think you're sticky cookied as an affiliate on whatever products they purchase, and you get additional commissions. So that's a pretty good one. Traffic Secrets book. I've actually read this book 3 times. And if you promote the book, I mean, you really don't make a whole lot of money on the front end. You make $1 if someone gets the free book, but they pay for the shipping. But on the back end, you can make up to $264. So it's not bad, as an affiliate, because you can generate, $14 every time someone gets the audiobook. And I got the audiobook because I hate reading books. I prefer to do it on the audio. If they do this upsell, you get $38. If they do this upsell, you get $100. If they do that one, you get $125. And so that is basically how affiliate marketing works. Here's another affiliate program. I don't really promote them anymore because I've kind of changed my viewpoint on how affiliate marketing should work. But that's another video for another day. But as you can see, I've made $2,000 here, $1,000 here, over $1,000, over $500. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars. And this is off of 2 sales. That's off 1 sale. That's off of a sale and a couple of upsells. This is a couple of partial sales. That's 1 sale and kind of an upsell. Here's almost 3 sales. But the point is that you can make a lot of money. I've made up to $1,000 per sale. Affiliate marketing is by far my favorite way to make money online. Now, if you would like to know some of the affiliate programs that I'm currently working with, that I'm seeing really good results with, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell right next to it, because my next set of videos is going to actually be covering the different affiliate products that I do suggest that you go with. And also, I'm going to be coming out with some techie style videos that are going to be showing you how to build out those landing and opt-in pages that we talked about inside of this video, where you can collect emails. And I'm going to show you how to do email marketing, how to set up your email sequences, how to do the tech backend and all that. So make sure that you look out for those videos, because on this channel, I'm going to be doing a comprehensive view of everything when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money online, how to build out sales funnels and websites, website optimization, sales optimization, search engine optimization, traffic, Facebook, YouTube, doing email marketing, and all kinds of different things. So this is kind of my thing. This is what I'm passionate about. So make sure that you subscribe, hit notifications. And on that note, I'll see you on the next video.